We've been running the third grade naturalist program on the peninsula for over 20 years at this point, and teaming up with Chadwick was a really important goal. The third grade naturalist program is comprised of 4 classroom sessions, and we bring the materials all about natural history, plants and insects, mammals, and birds and reptiles to the classroom. It's a very hands-on program. We're providing them with naturalist handbooks that they're working from. The field trip is kind of the culminating experience of the classroom sessions. It's a chance for them to connect what they've learned to the classroom to actual plants and actual animals and habitats that they've been learning about. I think one of the most fun stations is the rattlepod seed planting station. The rattlepod plant is the host butterfly for the Palos Verdes blue butterfly, and it is an endangered species that we only find here on the Palos Verdes Peninsula. And so the kids actually got to do some restoration today by planting some of those rattlepod seeds. 2 of the other stations were habitat stations. One of them is a streamside woodland habitat, and then there's also a scrubland habitat station. So scrubland, or coastal sage scrub, is a very important habitat that we find here on the peninsula.
I found 3 birds! 3 more birds!
The students also got a chance to work with binoculars, identifying some birds, doing a bird survey while they were here at the Nature Center, so that was a lot of fun. It's really important for students to get out into their local natural habitat because, one, especially for these Chadwick students, it's right down the street. As adults, they're going to be the next stewards of the land, so it's going to be up to them to help protect the natural space that we have here all over the place, not just the peninsula.